Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've got your model ready. Now position the camera where the viewer will stand. Open Enscape's live view, then switch to 360 panorama capture. This triggers the correct projection. Set your eye height and lock the camera so nothing drifts. Next, choose the output folder and file name. This saves time later. Make sure you're in a realistic visual mode and that objects aren't hidden. Once done, confirm the panorama checkbox and prepare to refine image quality settings before rendering. Now you dial in quality. Choose 4K or 8K based on use. Higher resolution gives cleaner detail, but longer render times. Select mono for single-view panoramas or stereo if you need VR depth. Tweak exposure and white balance so highlights and shadows read well across the full 360 field. Uneven lighting becomes obvious in spherical images. Increase sample rate or enable denoising to remove grain. Once your settings match the desired look, start the pan. After rendering completes, export the equirectangular image from Enscape to your chosen folder. You should test it immediately in a 360 image viewer or upload to your web/VR host to confirm orientation and quality. If you plan a tour, repeat captures at each node, keeping camera height consistent. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see seams or excessive noise, increase samples or enable denoiser and re-render. With the camera locked, small camera shifts between passes cause stitching artifacts, so stability is crucial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.